Good afternoon, everyone. This is Amin from Berwick Mitsubishi. Today is my absolute pleasure to show you guys this beautiful 2017 Holden Commodore SS VF Series 2. This car is a V8 with a 6.2 liter engine. Relocated at 20 to 32 Kangan Drive, Berwick. I'm gonna do a walk around video and show you guys inside and outside this vehicle and tell you about ourselves and how we do business at Berwick Mitsubishi. At the front of the vehicle, we have this beautiful chrome finish, goes on over the grille and the fog light, which gives the car this aggressive look. We have this beautiful vent on the bonnet, and with this beautiful chrome on the side fenders, really matches the car. The car has front sensors. Front tire looks very good, healthy tire. Wheels looks very good as well. Small scratches, nothing major, nothing noticeable. This car is keyless entry. The body presents very good. No dents, no scratch that I can see, nothing visible. Back tire looks very healthy. No scratch or marks that I can see on the back wheels. Looks very good. At the back of the car, we have this beautiful spoiler which is attached to the boot. We have our SS and Series 2 badge, tow bar which is ready, and twin exhaust which really gives the car this aggressive look. I'm in love with Holden myself personally, especially SS. Beautiful color. Small scratch at the back, nothing major that you can see. Probably you can get rid of it with a cotton polish. Back tire looks very healthy. The wheels looks very good. Small scratch, nothing major, nothing noticeable. I mentioned before, this car is keyless entry. See these chrome buttons on the door handles. Front tire looks very good, very healthy tire, as well as the wheels. Small scratches, nothing major. Bit more than the back wheels, but it's very good, nothing noticeable. Guys, here at Berwick Mitsubishi, we offer extended warranty, paint protection, tint, and dash cam on our vehicles. So please make sure when you come in, you talk to our pre-delivery manager, Daniel D'Souza. And if you guys require finance, please make sure when you come in, you talk to Julie or Samira. They have over 20 years of combined experience between them. We have half cloth and leather seats, very clean. As you can see, The seats are memory seats. Oh, actually, my bad, it is not. It's not the memory seats. Those are just the buttons for up and down. So my bad, no memory seats. The car has service book. It has reverse camera, built-in navigation, parking sensors and parking assist. Beautiful car. Sounds very nice. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.